Hi! There are some pretty small Bob Ross paintings out there, but I thought I could go even smaller with the help of...
The Shrinkinator!
No, sorry, I actually meant using shrink plastic. It shrinks when it's heated up and can be drawn or even painted on. I'm using the white plastic today. Bob Ross uses oil paints, but I think watercolors will shrink best. So my painting process will be a little different. Let's start with the cool shadows of a mighty mountain. All the colors we're using will become more vibrant when the painting shrinks, so we need just a hint of blue mixed with water. Next it's time for a happy blue sky. Make sure to leave space for some fluffy clouds. Just like that. Now I'm adding some details to the mountain. Maybe in our world there live some happy little bushes. And it's time for a big decision. Maybe a big tree lives right here. Let's make him a little friend. I added some shadows to the trees and to the bushes. And I added some soil beneath the bushes. Ooh, that turned out a bit dark, but you can always remove some pigment with water and a tissue. Lastly, I added the reflections of the bushes and of the blue sky. And that is step 1. Can you guess what I used to make this easel? Anyways, it's shrinking time. No, I don't need the shrinkinator, thank you. The instructions say to put it in the oven at 165 degrees Celsius. Let's be honest, I had to clean the oven window since you couldn't see nothing. I only had to wait for a few seconds.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
First, the plastic folds in on itself. This is normal, but sometimes the plastic sticks to itself and then it's hard to save it. Please don't stick together. It seems like my song pleased the shrinking gods. Slowly the plastic unfolded again and became flatter. Often it flattens all the way, but I needed to help it a little. Maybe it's time for Chewbacca. Thank you, Chewbacca. For the reveal, I made a tiny easel by decapitating some matchsticks and by sanding, chopping, and painting them. With a little super glue, it was strong enough to hold a tiny painting. And this is the final result. Some of the details got lost, but the colors came out really vibrant. I hope you enjoyed this little painting. God bless, and I'll see you next time.